Alright everyone, so we're back at Aquatech Car Wash, and we're going to film the Supreme Car Wash.
$8.
Yep, the $8 one. Alright, so I'm going to pause to pay for this wash. See you guys in a second. Alright, we have paid for the wash.
And here we go.
Yep.
No undercarriage, I guess, with the $8 wash. With the Supreme.
Yeah. This is awkwardly quiet.
Whoop! There it goes.
Look, it looks like this used to be an Oasis system. Oh look, we got Buckbuster.
Yay!
Oh, maybe the undercarriage is in the middle of the wash. You hear that?
Maybe, I hear it, yeah.
Yeah, I think that is the underbody.
Interesting. That's
I've never seen that before.
Me neither. I like it though.
Yeah, me too.
Because usually the undercarriage, you miss it if you're not super fast.
Yeah.
It's not my
just
part.
like the
rush to like drive as fast as I can
yeah,
into a car wash.
Just like that one time wwhere you missed the underbody at that horrible Soft Gloss XS.
I know.
Shout out to anyone who watched that video. Because you'd know what I was talking about.
It was so short.
I know. Oh, we're doing rocker panel blasters. And foam bath. Holy crap, this is shaking the car. That's good, that means it's getting it clean.
That is true.
Okay, brushes maybe?
I think so. Oh, middle
Yep.
curtain. Yep. Nice. Feels very cozy in the dark here.
Yes. Feels
Super
totally
dark.
not creepy.
I know. It is so dark. They should put some LED lights in here.
Yeah. Funny how they're not using the LED lights on board right now.
Maybe that's something they save for the top wash.
Yeah, maybe. I wonder if this one has trifoam.
I didn't notice any. I did see some foam.
Yeah.
It was just white.
Yeah. I don't think that counts as the trifoam though.
No, I don't either, yeah.
That takes so long to come in.
It's a casual wash.
Yes.
Very. I guess I'll move.
Yes, the I might move type of wash. Water pressure is very, very strong.
Yes. We will be super clean when they're done.
Yeah. Oh, okay, so this is spot-free rinse here.
Oh, nice. Oh, and I like how it's coming from the top, just like before
Yeah.
the rain shower.
Yes.
It's a good coating of...
Spot-free rinse.
Yeah. You know, I've been impressed.
Drive forwards.
I've been impressed with all the washes from here so
Yeah.
far. They're all good. Oops. treadle is really huge. Whoop, there
Yeah.
it goes.
Now we got Superior drives here. That one has a grip on the exhaust.
Oh, I like it.
I think that's retrofitted. I think that comes with Superior.
Wow. Well, I give that a 10 out of 10.
Yeah, 10 out of 10.
Alright.
Okay, so we're going to film the other two options. So for this video, that'll also be it. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. That'll be it.